17/11/2011 നടന്ന സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റിഗേറ്റർ ഗ്രേഡ് 2 പരീക്ഷയിലേക്ക് നടന്ന ചോദ്യപേപ്പറാണ്. ചോദ്യം നമ്പർ 1, പ്രിസിഷൻ ഓഫ് എ റാൻഡം സാമ്പിൾ. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ഡിക്രീസസ് ഡയറക്ട്ലി with increase in sample size. Option B, proportionately with the sample size. Option C, increases with increase in the sample size. Option D, none of these. Answer, option C. Question number 2, non-sampling errors include option A, bias. Option B, bias and mistakes. Option C, mistake. Option D, none of these. Answer, option B, bias and mistakes. Question number 3, sampling errors are present only in option A, complete enumeration survey. Option B, sample survey. Option C, both census and sample survey. Option D, none of these. Answer, option B, sample survey. Question number 4, when the base is 1000, the ratio is called option A, rates. Option B, percentage. Option C, quotient. Option D, proportionate. Answer, option A, rates. Question number 5, classification is the process of arranging data in option A, different columns. Option B, different rows. Option C, different rows and columns. Option D, grouping of related fact in different classes. Answer, option D, grouping of related facts in different classes. Question number 6, which of the following would you regard as a discrete variable? Option A, height. Option B, number of persons in a family. Option C, weight. Option D, none of these. Answer, option B, number of persons in a family. Question number 7, in a two-dimensional diagram, option A, only height is considered. Option B, only width is considered. Option C, both height and width are considered. Option D, height, width and thickness are considered. Answer, option C, both height, width are considered. Question number 8, the sum of the absolute deviations of the individual observations is minimum when taken about option A, mode. Option B, median. Option C, arithmetic mean. Option D, geometric mean. Answer is option B, median. Question number 9, for dealing with qualitative data, the best average is option A, arithmetic mean. Option B, median. Option C, geometric mean. Option D, harmonic mean. Answer, option B, median. Question number 10, the geometric mean of two numbers 8 and 18 is option A, 12. Option B, root 26. Option C, 13. Option D, 14. Correct answer, option A, 12. Then question number 11, mean plus or minus 3 standard deviation. That means mu plus or minus 3 sigma covers option A, 93.37% items. Option B, 90% items. Option C, 99.93% items. Option D, 60% item. Answer, option C, 99.93% items. Question number 12, When the coefficient of skewness is 0, the distribution is option A T-shaped, option B symmetrical, option C skewed, option D J-shaped. Answer symmetrical. Coefficient of skewness 0, symmetrical. 13. Question number 13. In a negatively skewed distribution, mean less than, median less than mode. Option B, mean greater than, median greater than mode. Option C, median less than, mode less than, mean. Option D, mode greater than, mean greater than, median. Answer option A, mean less than, median less than, mode. Question number 14. If the coefficient of determination is 0.49, then the correlation coefficient is option A 0.4, option B 0.7, option C 5, option D 0.245. Correct answer option B 0.7. Then question number 15. The rank according to two attributes in a sample are rank 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rank 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the rank correlation between them is option A 0.1, option A 1, option B -1, option C 0, option D 0.5. Correct answer is B -1. Question number 16. In a scatter diagram, if all points lie on a straight line from left bottom to right top, then there is option A no correlation, option B perfect negative correlation, option C perfect positive correlation, option D low negative correlation. Answer option C perfect positive correlation. Question number 17. There will be only one regression line when r equal to plus or minus 1, option B r equal to 0, option C r equal to plus 1, option D r equal to -1. Answer option A r equal to plus or minus 1. Question number 18. If the regression coefficient of x on y and y on x are 1.6 and 0.4, then the correlation between x and y is option A 1, option B 0.5, option C 0.8, option D 0.6. Answer option C 0.8. Question number 19. Correlation coefficient is independent of option A change of scale only, option B change of origin only, option C change of both origin and scale, option D neither change of origin nor on scale. Answer option C change of both origin and scale. Then question number 20. If AB equal to 294, alpha B equal to 380, A beta equal to 196, alpha equal to 510, then N equal to option A 1000, option B 870, option C 674, option D 1510. Answer option A 1000. Question number 21. A bag contains 5 white and 3 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at random, one after another, without replacement. Then the probability that both balls drawn are black is option A 7 by 16, option B 3 by 28, option C 6 by 28, option D 5 by 16. Answer option B 3 by 28. Question number 22. If A and B are independent, then option A probability of A plus probability of B, option B probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, option C probability of A minus probability of B, option D probability of A into probability of B. Answer option D probability of A into probability of B. Question number 23. If two events A and B are dependent, then the conditional probability of A given B is option A probability of A intersection B by probability of B, option B probability of A given probability of B, option C probability of A intersection B by probability of A, option D probability of A. Answer is probability of A intersection B by probability of B, option A. Question number 24. 2 cards are drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards without replacement. What is the probability that they are both as? Option A 1 by 169, option B 1 by 121, option C 1 by 52, option D 1 by 221. Answer option D 1 by 221. Question number 25. If probability of A equal to P1, probability of B equal to P2, probability of A intersection B equal to P3, then probability of A dash intersection B dash is option A 1 minus P1 minus P2, option B 1 minus P1 minus P2 plus P3, option C 1 minus P3, option D P1 plus P2 minus P3. Correct answer option B.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.